Hello everyone, this is Shalu. Welcome to my channel where I post book related videos. Thankfully this year has come to an end. 2020 has been the worst year for mankind with the threat of COVID-19 looming large. But there have been some rays of silver lining too. We got to spend quality time with our loved ones. We learned to count our blessings and how to be grateful. We discovered the joys of indulging in new hobbies and learning new skills. For Bookworms, 2020 provided a perfect opportunity to read more. It has been a good year for me in terms of reading. I read diverse books, classics, children's literature, YA books, thrillers, memoirs, self-help and more. This year I had set myself a goal of reading 60 books and I read 124 books. In 2019 I had read 42 books and this year almost triple, 124. This averages to more than 2 books per week. This definitely has been a good reading year for me. Now coming to the stats, my year-end books on Goodreads show that I read 30,123 pages from 124 books. The shortest book that I read was Brokeback Mountain by Annie Proulx, which was of 55 pages. The longest book that I read was Journey Under the Midnight Sun by Keigo Higashino, which contained 539 pages. Now coming to the books that I read. Life's Amazing Secrets by Gaur Gopal Das, The Giver of Stars by Jojo Moyes, Grandma's Bag of Stories by Sudha Murthy, Menka's Choice by Kavita Kane, My Sister the Serial Killer by Oinkan Braithwaite, Girl, Women, Other by Bernardine Evaristo, Boots Build Spirits by Tanushri Podar, Can You Keep a Secret by Sophie Kinsella, Educated by Tara Westover, Death on the Nile by Agatha Christie, The Travelling Cat Chronicles by Hiro Arikawa, Tales and Legends of India by Ruskin Bond, Zen the Art of Simple Living by Shunmayo Masuno, Fortunately the Milk by Neil Gaiman, 10 minutes 38 seconds in this strange world by Elif Shafak, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo, Northanger Abbey by Jane Austen, By the River Piedra I Sat Down and Read by Paulo Coelho, Jonathan Livingstone's Seagull by Richard Bach, 20s Girl by Sophie Kinsella, The ABC Murders by Agatha Christie, Finding Audrey by Sophie Kinsella, Norse Mythology by Neil Gaiman, I've Got Your Number by Sophie Kinsella, The Gita for Children by Rupa Pai, The Room on the Roof by Ruskin Bond, Art Matters by Neil Gaiman, Gachar Gochar by Vivek Shanbag, Little Women by Louisa May Alcott, Seriously I'm Kidding by Ellen DeGeneres, Brokeback Mountain by Annie Proulx, Dear Ijeawele or a Feminist Manifesto in 15 Suggestions by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, The Strange Library by Haruki Murakami, Eleanor and Park by Rainbow Rowell, Cause Celeb by Helen Fielding, The Devotion of Suspect X by Keigo Higashino, Erotic Stories for Punjabi Widows by Balli Kaur Jaswal, The Devil in Miss Prim by Paulo Coelho, Hear the Wind Sing by Haruki Murakami, Legend of Suhail Dev by Amish and the Immortal Writers Center, The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, Chaurasi by Satya Vyas, Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl, Dilli Darbar by Satya Vyas, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes by Suzanne Collins, Malice by Keigo Higashino, Kitchen Table Tarot by Melissa Sinova, The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway, Breakfast at Tiffany's by Truman Capote, Dark Places by Gillian Flynn, The New 1 Minute Manager by Kenneth H. Blanchard and Spencer Johnson, Veronica Decides to Die by Paulo Coelho, We Should All Be Feminists by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, The Diary of a Social Butterfly by Moni Mohsin, The Postman Always Rings Twice by James M. Cain, Joy at Work by Marie Kondo and Scott Sonshine, The Far Field by Madhuri Vijay, Newcomer by Keigo Higashino, Remember Me by Sophie Kinsella, Tales of Foster Ganj by Ruskin Bond, Susanna's 7 Husbands by Ruskin Bond, Banaras Talkies by Satya Vyas, The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Night Time by Mark Haddon, The Boy in the Striped Pajamas by John Boyne, Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert, The Dalai Lama and the Power of Meow by David Michie, Postscript by Cecilia Ahern, Salvation of a Saint by Keigo Higashino, Cracking the Code by Ayushmann Khurrana, 3 Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome, The Book of Ichigo Ichie, The Art of Making the Most of Every Moment the Japanese Way by Hector Garcia and Francis Mirrells, When Breath Becomes Air by Paul Kalanithi, A Burning by Megha Majumdar, A Murder on the Malabar Hill by Sujata Massey, Wedding Night by Sophie Kinsella, Atomic Habits by James Clear, My Not So Perfect Life by Sophie Kinsella, Ibn Battuti by Divya Prakash Dubey, The Whistling Schoolboy and Other Stories of School Life by Ruskin Bond, Burnt Sugar by Avni Doshi, The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas, The Adventures of Faluda, The House of Death by Satyajit Ray, The Perils of Being Moderately Famous by Soha Ali Khan, The Hitchhiker's Guide to Galaxy by Douglas Adams, Persuasion by Jane Austen, Let's Talk Money by Monica Halan, When Dimple Met Rishi by Sandhya Menon, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain, The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides, Khullam Khulla by Rishi Kapoor and Meena Iyer, The Women in the Window by A.J. Finn, Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury, The Four Agreements, A Practical Guide to Personal Freedom by Miguel Ruiz, Journey Under the Midnight Sun by Kyago Higashino, Anxious People by Frederick Beckman, Dopehri by Pankaj Kapoor, The Miracle Morning, The Not So Obvious Secret Guaranteed to Transform Your Life Before 8 p.m. by Hal Elrod, Pashu, Animal Tales from Hindu Mythology by Devdutt Patnaik, Musafir Cafe by Divya Prakash Dubey, Christmas Shopaholic by Sophie Kinsella, Crazy Rich Asians by Kevin Kwan, The Children's Homer, Adventures of Odysseus and the Tales of Troy by Padraig Colum, Homebody by Rupi Kaur, Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator by Roald Dahl, The Hating Game by Sally Thorne, Animal Farm by George Orwell, October Junction by Divya Prakash Dubey, Dust Over the Mustard Fields by Ranjit Pawar, The Kiss Quotient by Helen Hoang, Wings of Fire by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, The POW Who Saved Kashmir by Brigadier Jasbir Singh and Pankaj P. Singh, A Boy Called Christmas by Matt Haig, The Serpent's Revenge, Unusual Tales from Mahabharata by Sudha Murthy, Let It Snow by John Green, Maureen Johnson and Lorraine Miracle, Hercule Poirot's Christmas by Agatha Christie, Sophie's World by Justine Garder, The Little Book of Hugo, The Danish Way to Living Well by Mike Viking, Simon vs. the Homo Sapiens Agenda by Becky Albertalli, The Archer by Paulo Coelho, Clap When You Land by Elizabeth Acevedo, The Deal of a Lifetime by Frederick Backman. So these were the books that I read during 2020. In the coming videos, I will talk about my favorite fiction and non-fiction reads. Have you read any of these books? Which were your favorite reads during 2020? Do share with me in the comment section. And if you have liked this video, please like, comment and share. And for more bookish content like this, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until my next video, bye and take care.